Okay, so are you ready?
I am very ready.
It's time to add the final touch of deliciousness to this season. Our pasta pot is ready. We're going to place this on
Fire.
Yes. We're going to cover our pot and allow this to just boil. Then we'll pour the pasta. Okay. And then we rehydrate our Addmie. No stress. Very, very convenient.
So good.
What do you like about the milk?
Oh my god.
This is nice.
I like how creamy it
It is, yeah.
So creamy and colorful.
Yeah. Oh. What about the Addmie?
And we just added that extra veggie color to it, like the look.
Yeah.
And then I like the less time we spent making it with the
And the chicken.
Like, the chicken.
I'm tasting the chicken. Did you say, is there the chicken in your?
Yeah. I can see the chicken too.
If you don't like it, please add to my own.
No, I got you.
Okay. So guess what? I have a gift for you.
For me?
Yes.
Oh my god, really?
So, on behalf of Addmie, yeah.
Oh, this is
I'm giving you this.
Oh my god. Oh.
Happy holidays, okay?
Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you, Addmie, for adding the final touch to my 2023.